Okay, I'll share my screen. So anyone is new today, first class? Sir, you completed you attended previous classes?
No, sir, it's first class.
First class.
First class. Okay, what you do now, you can go through the previous video how to create the personal developer instance. Okay, and just go through that, and you will understand how to create the personal developer instance. Then you can follow the second one. Okay, but first, again, okay, I will ask. I will create another session. Okay, first to ServiceNow, they are giving the personal developer instance for the free of the cost. If you have the Gmail account, you can create that personal developer instance and you can practice ServiceNow. Okay, in that one. Okay, let me go to the. So here is the site developer.servicenow.com. Here is the site. So you can go to this site and you can create that one. You can create that one and you can go to the sign in. Okay, here we have the, if you are new to this site, you can click on this get a ServiceNow ID. So here you need to provide the first name, last name, and the email, and the country, and the password, and the confirm password. So once you're sign up, click on the sign up. So you will receive an email to your Gmail account. Whatever that email you have provided, you will receive an email uh, to your Gmail with the activation link. So you have to click on that link. Automatically, your account will be created. Okay, once your account will be created, then you have to come to this site again, the developer.servicenow.com, and you can click on this sign in. So here it is asking for the email. Next one is if you provided that email, let me open. So if you provide that email, so it will ask for the password. Okay, so once you provided the password, automatically it will take you to the developer.servicenow.com site. So once you are logged in, so automatically you will get a here request in start building. Okay, you will get this one. Once you click on this, it will ask for me account is already created, and you can refer that my old video. So in that you can will get an option to select the version. So you have to select the latest one, Yokohama version. You can select that one, and the instance will be created within some minutes. Okay, within few minutes your instance will be ready. Okay, once instance is ready, you can you it will you can show this one. Okay, start building. Once instance is ready, you can see the all the details here. Okay, your instance and the version name. I'm using Janadu, but the latest one is the Yokoma. Okay, you can use that Yokoma version, and you can see all the details here. Okay, and once you click on this, it will take to you to the this address. Okay, this address you can see, this is the unique number for you. Okay, and rest everything is common for everyone. Service no service
ఈ
iphone
రోజులు
now.
అలా ఉంటే చెల్లదులే.
Hello, please go on mute, Raviteja. Okay, so here you can see this is the this number is unique for this is created for you only. Okay, and rest everything is common for everyone. So you can go to this username. Okay, you can get the username password here. Okay, where is manage instance password. So here you can see username and password. Okay, you can use this one to log in here. Okay, you can go to this. Okay, so this is your login. Okay, so once you're logged into ServiceNow, this is your home page. Okay, so here we have the this with the black color, we call it as a, here we can, let me take one screenshot here. See here, this is your screen. So here you can say this one, the total, this one we call it as a banner frame, and the below one we call it as a content frame. Okay, this we are dividing into the two parts. One is the banner frame, the yellow first one. Second one is the content frame. Here you can see the all the data, forms, everything you can see it here. Okay, and so here we have the filter navigation. So ServiceNow, whatever that applications we are able to access, we can see them here. Okay, in the in the filter navigation, we can see the all applications here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, and filter navigation, we can see the all the applications here. Okay, let's to go to example small application incident. Okay, incident is the one of the main application we are going to discuss in our training. So here is the incident application, and these are the modules in the incident application. If you want to create the new records, if you want to check which is assigned to me is the currently logged in user. Okay, you can see the all the records here. If you click on this, you can see the records, forms, everything here. Okay, this is we call it as a filter navigation. And here we have the favorites. Okay, so regularly you open incidents, right? So you go to incident, in that you want to know what are the incidents are assigned to me. So every time you don't need to go to here. Here we have the star icon. So if you click on this, automatically it will be added as a favorite. Okay, you can click on this favorite, you can click on this favorite. Okay, here, so here you can see the incident assigned to me. So every time you don't need to go and search here, directly you can go to your favorites. So you can see the icon, automatically it will open the related link. Okay, and next go to the history. So in the history you can see whatever that modules or pages recently you opened, you can see them here. Okay, so last recent activity, whatever that activity you have done, you can see that there is some limitation, some 20 activities are there. So you can see the last 20 activities here. And next one is workspaces. Okay, the workspaces, these are the separate interfaces for the ITL user, the persons who are going to work on the incidents and problem tickets and the change tasks. So they will use this one. So for now we are not going to discuss this one. Okay, we will cover this end of this topic, because these are the advanced latest components ServiceNow as provided to us. So we'll going to discuss that one. And this one is the the latest current page. You can see the heading of that one. So we are in incident page, right? You can see the same thing here. And let's go to the here application scope and the update set. So in the service now we have the application scope and global and the custom scope. Two scopes are available. Okay, one is global. In the global we can see the many application. In the custom scope application, if we want to build a separate application which should not accessed by other application, so then we can use the custom. So I will explain what it detail. So here you can see where we are. So these are the global application and these are the custom application. So you can select them here. Okay, so currently we are in global application. Next go to, this is the update set. So update set we use normally in a service now. When you are working for an organization, so we will have the three environments. Now with the Gmail we have only one URL, right? But when you are working for a company, you can see the three environments. One is production, next one is the development. Okay, development, and the next one is the test. Okay, so production, development, and the test. So normally when you purchase license for your company, so the service they provide the three different instance. Instance means this is our instance. So when you normally you develop the new things in the development environment, next we move the changes to test, and next we promote the production. So to move the changes between the development and test to production, we use these update sets. So with the update sets, we can promote the customizations between the one instance to another instance. Okay. So next one is the, here you can see application global, I already explained right here. And this one is the slide bar discussions. So if you want to have a conversation between the that your employees, company employees, here you can see the here you can raise the you can have the discussion with them. Okay. And next one is the show help. Okay. So if you click on the show help, it will show the related whatever that page you have opened. Here I can see now I've opened incidents, right? You can see incident related information, it is showing the related topics and all. So if I open some different, you can see I'm opening the problem application. So here you can see if I open the problem. So now if I go to this show help, it should show the documents related to the problem application. So I'll click on this one. See here, problem management. So like this, if you want to know the documentation related to this pages and the application you are opening, you can see them. Okay. And here you can see the bell icon, it is showing the show notification. If you have any notifications, if your incidents are updated somewhere, if your name is included for a notification, so you will you can see the notifications here. And the last one, so here you can see that the currently logged in user information. Now we are logged in with the system administrator. Okay. So here you can see the person name and the designation and the company, everything you can see here. Okay. If you want to open his profile, if you want to open his record, here you can see, you can click on this profile. So here you can see his first name, last name, and the title, and the email, date format, time zone. So these are the some basic information we can see here. And here you have the preferences. If you want to change this interface and if you want to include some extra settings, you can go to these preferences. So here we have the display, theme, accessibility, notification. So here you can see, you can click on the theme, you can change this default and dark. Okay. If you click on the dark, you can see everything will be changed. So always use the default only. Okay. So but it will be changed for you only, it will not change for the all others. Okay. Remaining everything you can language. So you can select the date format, which date format do you want to use, time zone, which time zone tape. So you can select the related as per your company. Okay. You can select this one. And to display, so these are the options we'll explain when the related topic came. Okay. So already I covered in the some previous class, so you can refer this recording video. So okay, next go to, so today our main topic is we are going to discuss about the user administrator. Okay, so for every tool to access ServiceNow, first we should create the users for any application, Java or anything. So first we should create the users into the particular tool. So then only our they will able to access the ServiceNow. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the user administrator application. So here you can see user administration. In this application, we have the modules, users, groups, roles, and the logged in users, active transaction departments, location. So these are the core tables, core user, that master data, we can say master data. Master data means, so the core data we have to use this service now. Okay, users, groups, roles, and the all other. So first I will go to the users. Okay, module. So if you click on this users module, it will show the currently created users in the service now. Here you can see there are already 629 users are already created in the service now. Okay, now so these users will able to access our ServiceNow instance. Okay, let's take example. You got a requirement to create the new user. Okay, then what you do? Okay, here we have the button, new button. You can go to this new button. You can click on this. So it will open a new form to create the new record. Okay, so I'm going to set service no, all small letter should be service no admin. Okay, so I'm just going to create a one new record. Okay, and first name is service no, second name is admin, and email ID. You can give some email ID. Okay, and department title, everything. If you want to give some depart title here, here we have that whether is administrator or IT director, IT technician. Okay, I'm just going to select as a senior developer. And a department, he must be belongs to some department in your company, right? So you can create this department. If this existing department is not available, whatever that, I mean whatever that your department is not available, you can create here. Okay, so I'm just going to select the IT here now. And language, you can select the English. And calendar, which calendar you are using, Outlook. So time zone, date format, mobile number, everything you can use, and you can select this one. Okay, and so I'm going to save this record. Okay, so here you can see password needs so now we are creating a user record for someone else. As admin, you have rights to create, but once the user record, once the this user is logged in, after the first login, we want to forcefully, he needs to reset his password. Okay, so for that you can select this one. If you selected all, automatically he will, system will ask him to reset his password. Okay, now I'm going to save this record. Okay, now user record is created. Now next thing is I need to set up a default password, I mean auto generated password for this one. Okay, so once record is created, here we have the set password. So you can click on this set password. So here we have the button to generate a new password. You can click on the generate. So password is generated. You here we have the click to copy password. You can click on the copy password. So it will, you can open a one notepad to save the password. Okay, this is the auto generated password. Okay, so once you generated, don't forget to save this password. So sometimes people now, what the password is generated, I'm closing this, but you should save this password, then only password will be saved. It is generated only, you can have to save this password. Okay, so you click on the save password. Okay, once you save password na, so you, then you can close this one. Okay, now user account is created and the password is also created. Now you need to log in into this account. Okay, now to check what level he is accessing everything, so you need to log in into. So here I am just opening the one new incognito window. So I'll take this URL. Okay, okay, see now it is asking for the username and the password. So what is username here? Username is servicenow admin. Next one is the password is the auto generated password here. Okay, this is the password. So once I click on the login, see what actions we are going to perform next. So it will check the password. So now it is asking for the to reset the your new password. Okay, and the current password, again you have to give the current password from the notepad. And here is the password requirements. So it should minimum 8 characters, maximum 100 characters, at least one lowercase, uppercase, one digit, one special character, no repetition more than the 3 characters, like that. So there are some requirements, so you need to fulfill this requirement. Okay, I'm just going to give some new password to this account. Okay. So you can click on the submit. Password must not contain any data like first name, last name, and username. Okay, okay. Okay, you can click on the submit. See, the password is created and I am able to log in into the service now. Here you can see the that it is the when you log in first time now, so you will get these pop-ups to understand this is the menu and all, filter navigation, favorites, history, home. Okay, so when you logged in first time now with a new account, you will get this pop-up. Now this is the interface for the new account which we created. You can go to this here, where what you are seeing, a service no admin, right? The senior developer and the service now, here you can see everything details here. So here if you go to this all, see here how many applications you are seeing. Only few applications, because you are a new user and you don't have the special permissions to access. You are just basic normal user. Okay, now if you want to add some new access to you basic, if you want to access the incident management, see. So you can't create the new instance, only you can see the existing instance. Okay, if you go to the admin login, here you can create the, so here you can go to the so here you can create the new one, assign, open, everything, but you can't see the all the options here. Okay, because you are a new, you are a basic normal user. Okay, now I want to give admin access to this person, so how should I do? So what you do, you go to the this admin account, go to user table. So this is account is already open. So if you, when you come down here, you can see we have the roles. Okay, you have the roles. So basically first let me introduce the roles. So roles are a special permissions we can give to the users. Okay, here you can click on these roles. So there are system roles. ServiceNow is already given. You can see the description of the each role. So here we have the admin role. You can see it is a system administration role. This role has access to the all the system features, functions, and data. Okay, it is the highest role. So if you have this role now, so you can access everything in your system. Okay, and let me show the ITL role. So this is the another important role. So here we have the ITL role. They can perform the standard actions like a ITL help desk technician. So normally in company we have some team like a help desk. So they do route the incidents, they will assign the incidents to the corrective team, they will analyze, they will try to fix that your issues. So for them we need to, for the technicians, who are going to work on the incidents, other, we are default assign the ITL role. Okay, now we will assign this ITL role to this user. Let's see. So to assign the ITL role to any user, first this is the one of the process, but I will tell you what is actual process we'll do. So first we will go to the edit. Okay, here we will get the all the roles details. Okay, here so you can type the whatever the role you want to assign. So first I will assign the ITL role to this user. Okay, you can click on this one. Okay, now you see you assign only ITL role. These are the different roles are dependent on this ITL. Once you assign the ITL role, these are the related roles to this ITL. Okay, so that is the reason you can see them here. Here you can see inheritance count. One means these roles are assigned because of the other role. Here we have assigned the ITL role for, because of this we are getting other roles also. Okay, now we will go to the ServiceNow admin account. Let's see what access he got. So let me refresh again. So here now you can see. So still he just log out and log in again. But you don't get this issue in the personal developer instance. Okay, only in the production we don't get, only personal developer we need to log out and log in again. You can click on the login. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, now you can see, now we have assigned the ITL role to him, right? So if you go to this all, if you go to this all, here you can see, now he can see many applications. Previously he can't see the all the applications. Now he can see the ITL incident application. He can create the records. He can click on the all these things. Because why, because we have assigned a ITL role to him. Okay, so that is the reason, but he can't access admin roles users, and he can't access only the related applications only, that ITL users, what he is able to able to access the application, those applications only he can able to access. Okay, so now let me go to, so now we have assigned the ITL role to this user. Let's take example, in your, when you are working in an organization, you have the 20 to 30 users you have. You need to assign the ITL roles to him. Okay, then what you do, you go to the you go to you go to this users table. So you go to a user table, you will open each record, and you go down here, you have the read button, you will assign. But this is not the right process. So if when you have the 30 to 40, 100 users, this is not the right process to assign the roles to users. Directly, you should not assign the roles to users. So here we have the groups concept. Okay, you can create one group, and you can assign, you can add the all the groups, all the users to these groups. Then you can assign the role to group, automatically they will able to access. Okay, first let me show you what is group. Okay, so here we have the groups. Okay, if you are unable to understand, just let me know, I will explain it to you. So first what you do, you will create a one, these are the existing groups here we have. So if you see, if you click on the database, you can see the groups are available in this group, there are three users are available. Okay, and the related groups, these are the related groups to this database. Okay, here we have the group manager, group email ID, group parent. So like that we have the, so the group purpose, why we're creating this, let me show the documentation also, you will understand better. So groups in service now, why we use the group, for the common purpose. So group is a set of users who share for the common purpose. Group may perform task. So if you want to, let's say we are all belong to service now, so we should have one group to assign the incidents to us, and the assign the access to us. So for the common purpose we use this group. Okay, here you can see, such as performing task, such as approving the change requests, resolving incident, receiving email. There are many, so many purposes are there for this group. Okay, here, here what I open, sorry, so let me, so here I'm just going to create a one new group. So group name is ITL access, ITL access. If you want to assign the manager, so this manager is responsible for this group, for adding members, new members, and removing the old members. He is the responsible. So you can select one person name for the managing this group activities. Okay, and group email ID. So normally we have the one group email ID. So if you send this email to this group, so all the members will be received. Okay, now you can create this group. Okay, now group is created. Now I'm going to add some members here. Okay, I'm going to add some members. So I'm going to add able tutor, some random people I'm just adding. So these people will be added to our ITL access group. Okay, now the three members are added. Okay, now I want to give access to this group automatically. The members who are available in this group, they will get these roles. Okay, now I'm going to roles table. Here we need to add this role. So here I'm going to select the ITL role. Okay, here you can add this one. You can click on the save here. See here, now I added a, I created one group, and in the group I have added three members, and I added the ITL role to this group. Now these three members will have access to this ITL role. Why? Because they are part of this group and this group has this role. Now we will check whether these persons, for them ITL role is added or not. We will check this one. First we will open this record, this user Amelie Capito. Okay, now if you go down here, here you can see for him ITL role is added. Here you can see ITL role is added. Okay, now one user we have checked. Now we will go to Alyssa Mountojoy. So here also you can see ITL role is added him. Okay, now we will go to the able tutor. Now you can see for him also ITL role is added. So now you understood, right? To assign the roles to multiple users for for multiple users, in interview also you will get access to assign the roles to multiple users. First, we need to create a one group. You just add the all the groups to all the users to that groups, and you assign the role to directly to the group. So automatically the members who are available in this group, they will get access to this role. Okay, when you have this role now, you will get access to the multiple applications, like already we have verified, right? Multiple applications. So now I'm going to assign the admin role to this group. Automatically these three members, they were able to access all the applications in our service now. Okay, so to go to role, you can click on the edit admin role. You can select add, click on admin. Okay, now admin role is also added. Now you can see we will add the person, the user that you newly created, right? We will add that user. To add that one, you can see that service no admin role we'll add here. Okay, automatically the service no admin will get a admin access to the entire system. You'll refresh here. Okay, now service no admin is added. Now we already logged in into different browser, right? We will refresh the screen. So check whether he is able to access. Still he is unable to access. We need to check. So here every time I'm going to log out and log in, right? So this there is another option here we have. So here if you go to here, impersonate user. So impersonate user means without taking his username and the password, to check his login whether he is able to access it or not. Okay, so then what you do, you can click on this impersonate. You can select the person, whatever the person you want to check. I want to check the service no admin. Okay, I'm checking. You can click on this one, so it will take to his login ID. Okay, without entering the username and the password, you can check. Service no admin, senior developer, everything is serving this one. Now we will go to the all. Now you can see he can able to access many applications. Now you can see. So before assigning the role, he can see only few applications. Okay, but now you are accessing multiple applications. Why? Because you are added to the that group has the admin role, so that is the reason he is able to access. Okay, now you are into the service no admin login. Now if you want to go back to your original login, you can click on this end impersonation. It will take to back to you to the your login. Okay, once you verified all the everything that user is able to access or not. Okay, now now we'll go to the group. You can see that reload form. See here, these are the users are available. This in ITL Excel role. You can click on the service no. Now I want to remove this service no admin from the this group. Automatically he will lose the access of this IT admin role. Okay. Now you can click on this admin. So remove this member from this ITL access role. You can deselect this one. Okay, then you can save this. Okay, now the member is removed. Just to refresh here. So only three members are there. Now again we will go back and check his login. Okay, you can click on the impersonate service no admin. You can click on the impersonate. Now you can check. Previously he is able to access many applications. See now he can see only the few applications only. Okay, now we understood, right, why we use the groups and roles. So groups for the common purpose to group the people into for the common purpose, providing access and working on the task as well. And roles, these are the special permissions. If you want to give access to the user to access the more applications in the service, now we use these roles and the groups. Okay, any doubts, guys? This is a very important topic. Okay, very basic topic, but a very important topic. Regularly we work on this one. Okay, any doubts, guys, till now? No,
No,
right?
sir.
No, no, okay. So now we will go to the another concepts in the user administrator. Okay, you must practice these examples. Okay, so you must create the users and the groups and the roles. Okay, now here we have the another logged in users. You can, if you click on this one, you can see currently logged in users information here. Okay, in the organization you can see who are the users are currently. We are working on that one. Okay, you can click on this one. Next one is the departments. So we already selected some departments, right? If you want to create the new department, you can create the new departments. Okay, and companies. So in the companies table here, these are the companies are available. So if you want to create the new company, you can click on the new company. And the locations, here we have the locations. So company may have the many location like IBM. It has in the world it has a many location. So you can add the new location and you can remove this one. Okay. So next, oh, forgot to go back to this one. No, that is the reason I am unable to see that new option. Okay, you can go to this location. See here now we'll get the new. If you want to create the new one, you can create the new one. Okay, normally we don't do this one. Okay, so normally users also, we don't create all the users here for the integration purpose, the purpose or the testing purpose. You will create the users here. Normally we'll have the LDAP, active directory. In a company we have the active directory. So from here we will integrate the service node to import all the users. Okay. Normally, for every organization they maintain all the users details in the one single place. So from there they will transfer this all the users and all, so to the each and every applications. Once you join in any organization, so they will create your record in the active directory. From here they will transfer all the details, user details, group details to each tool, like a Jira or a Salesforce or ServiceNow or any other tools like your HR applications, your payslip, your salary details where you maintain, right? So for that, all that you can maintain that one. So I will tell you how to integrate this Active Directory and the ServiceNow to automate the users creations. Once your record is created here, automatically it will create a record in the ServiceNow. Okay. So for now, you just go through this topic for today, okay? And tomorrow I will explain the further topics, okay? So any doubts, guys, till now?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, just go through the recording. You will get recording, and you can go through that. Please must practice this one. Okay, every day you should not lose that practice. So every day we have to practice, and then only you will get some doubts, and you can ask me the further doubts. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
sir. Is it possible to change the timing, sir?
Timings now that we need to discuss with the admin team, just to have a question with them. So based on the you all members availability, you can shift the timings. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can check with the admin team, so they will try to check with others also. Okay, what is your comfortable timings?
Mm, Night timing, sir.
Night.
8:30
Okay,
p.m. like that.
okay. Okay, check, have a word with the admin team. Okay,
Mm.
okay, thank you. Yeah,
Yeah. Thank
okay,
you,
we'll
sir.
meet tomorrow. Thank you, bye.